Hi, birthday girl.
Hi.
This is the first few moments of the new video camera.
Yay.
There's Britta, the beautiful lady. There's the
Our
baby girl. There's the fat husband.
Cute, handsome husband.
And we are here in our little apartment.
Yep.
And it is Groundhog's Day, a.k.a.
My birthday.
Britta's birthday.
23.
There's good husband flowers from me.
You're so pretty.
And the camera's a present. Here's all the stuff from it. That's my homework stuff. More stuff. We were just here with Whitney, but Whitney left a few minutes ago. There's our board with all of our things on them. And back to the lady of the hour.